How to lose belly fat and weight fast in 1 week? This is the question that everybody is searching for. And finally, in this video, I will tell you how to lose your belly fat very fast. For that, you need to follow 3 steps. First step is you need to reduce your calorie intake. For that, you need to start tracking your calories. Track your calories for 3 days and see how much you are consuming in a day. I mean running for 30 minutes, then try to reduce 20 to 30% of your calorie intake. Second step is to increase your protein intake because protein helps you to feel full for a longer period of time. And the 5th step is called exposure therapy. Also, it increases your metabolism and it helps you to burn more calories. Third step is to do more cardio. And when I say cardio, I don't mean walking on a treadmill for 30 minutes. If you follow these 3 steps, you will lose a lot of weight and belly fat in 1 week. And if you want to accelerate your results, then you need to follow to more steps. Fourth step is intermittent fasting. For more such useful tips, subscribe to my channel.